In this video, you will learn how you can change the style of the response we get from ChatGPT. So first click on New Chat and let's say if I type, "Give me 3 titles for YouTube channel about." Let's say, traveling. So here we have 3 titles. Okay. Now give me 5 video titles for this channel. That is for the same channel. Let us say in a funny way. Okay, so you can read them. Like awkward encounters abroad. Okay, so it is actually giving a response in a funnier way. In a comedy way. Okay. So if we want to change this style, let's say give me 10 video titles for this channel in a creative way. This time we asked for creative way, so you can see we are getting a different reply. So if you read both of these replies, you can easily note the difference between the two, right? So this way you can change styles of the responses we get as per our needs.